Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the video, and today we have a 4-gallon and 5-horsepower DEWALT shop vac. Now this thing is shaped in a rectangular way, so you can actually put it in your work truck or whatever and carry it wherever without wasting a lot of space and not deal with those circular ones, that just waste space and it doesn't fit in anything and goes everywhere in the car. As you can see, right when we open it up, we see a bag. These bags are basically used for putting in the compartment of the vacuum. So once this bag fills up, you can literally just take this bag and throw it out with, you don't have to clean anything else or anything like that. Extremely helpful. This, is pretty good. Definitely what you want to keep, especially if you're working with hazardous stuff at the job site. And here is the power. I'm gonna put it right on the table. Everything else in the box here. We got an extremely flexible hose, and this thing is high quality. I've never seen anything like this in any other vacuums. This thing is dense and it's pretty high quality. I'm pretty sure this is gonna last for a long time. So this is a flexible hose right there, and here we have a manual or paperwork in here, but nobody's gonna read that, so I'll put that to a side. And I actually also got a coupon, which is a 20% off on your first accessory order for 2020 in 2020. Wait, in 2020. This is 2021. I bought this in 2021. That's not fair. We can probably talk about this with DEWALT, figure something out if I need anything. But I probably won't buy anything, so it wouldn't really matter. But we do have a nice vacuum here. This is the switch, a big yellow switch. You can't miss it. This is a handle that is extremely solid. You can carry it. I wish it stayed in a closed position instead of flopping around like this, but that's that. We also have some extenders, so you can basically stand, when you put these together, you can basically stand and vacuum just like this, so you don't have to bend down and break your back. It's pretty amazing. We got onboard storage right on the side for these kind of stuff, which is really nice. Right there, just slide them right in and stays right there. So we have an outlet that's 2-prong, so it's not gonna be too much of a hassle looking for a 3-prong. And look at this cable, extremely huge. You don't have to be walking around with a extension cable most of the time. And there's a storage right here, so you don't mess that up. And then you also have a reel, so you could also kind of wind it here as well. Just gonna put it right back in here. So this thing is 120 volt. So most of the cars, like my Ford Explorer, is not gonna be able to run this because that's 110. But if you have a F-150, most of the F-150s, even Sienna, Toyota Sienna has 120. So you would know your car. So go with that. And we also got some more stuff here. These are the nozzles. So this is a very special, very famous nozzle that you get with pretty much all vacuums. This is another one, if you want to use it like a floor vac or something, you can use that. That's really nice. And there you go. And that's pretty much it. The other side probably has the motor. And let's open the latches up. There are 2 latches on 2 sides. Yeah, the latches are just like the toolboxes, so it's probably replaceable because you could snap that right in. So if in case you break it, you could probably find a replacement part. We have a nice big filter here, which you can replace pretty easy. Unlock, lock, and that's the filter, so it's not going to ruin the machine and come back out of the machine. And then we also have this So this is for wet vac when you pull in water, and this is where all the stuff comes down to and stays right here. So you know, that's pretty cool. You put basically when you use the bag, you probably put it like right here, and then the bag basically fills up in here, and you just take the bag out and throw it out. There's a nice seal here, so you know, nothing leaks or anything. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.